Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So we had two very bullish days on Thursday and Friday, guys, on AMC GME first and on QQQ as well. So let's analyze all of that and let's see what can happen next. Let's get into it. All right, so AMC first. Let's just be very, methodic and list every signal that we see. So let's start with RSI. RSI above 50, guys, for the first time here. As you can see, RSI at 52. The last time it was above 50 was on April 5th. All right, here when AMC was around 18, then we went to the bearish area below 50, and now we are back to the bullish area. Bulls are back in control finally, guys, and so this is very good for the RSI. Volume, we have volume increasing. I posted an alert, bam bam bam. It's not really an alert, it's in my AMC recap. I'm sorry I don't post so much, guys, this past few days. I'm gonna try to post more, and I was telling you that the volume was increasing and that the 13.5 level was the level we need to break out above, and then that the resistance will be 14.5 and 17. So we went to the 14.5 level. So we have a breakout, right, above this trend line. Okay. So second good thing. Third thing, we are above the 20-day moving average. Okay. So three good things. In terms of volatility, we had a massive move up, 18%, and we closed at the top of the day. It's very important to close at the top of the day so that bulls were in full control during the whole day. So that's all very positive. I have nothing negative to say here. We can always find resistances, but there are always going to be resistances on the way up. Here the resistance is 14.5. I will personally buy on Tuesday, probably around the open, unless I see a massive, up and down for some reason, but it's very, very unlikely. Probably we're going to open higher or around the same level. Stop loss around 12. I know you guys don't like stop losses, but I'm just doing my job. Here I would use a stop loss around 12. I personally don't use stop losses on AMC, but it's not a good advice to give you, so I give you stop loss level around 12, below the low of Friday. So that's it's invalidating what happened on Friday, which is exactly what gave us all these bullish signals. So if this is invalidated, all the bullish signals are not good to use anymore. So this is a good risk-reward trade because first we know what we're looking for. We're looking for a squeeze, and even if we're not talking about the squeeze, the next resistance is 17, so it's already a good risk-reward trade. And we'll probably, guys, what do you see here? We'll probably go higher because this might be, I say might, guys, because for now we don't have all the positive signals on the rest of the market. I'm going to show you that very soon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that would be great. And once again, guys, I give you these waves. Take it with a grain of salt. All right, this is one scenario, but this is a likely scenario to me. Bam, bam, bam. We can measure the second wave depth. Usually around the 61.8. Here it's slightly lower, as you can see, so it's not a perfect second wave, but it's still acceptable. So we might very well have, if this scenario is happening, then the third wave cannot go to 17. All right, it's too short compared to the first wave. It needs to go at least to 20. So let's see if we're able to do that. And guys, what we are really looking for, but for that we would need the rest of the market to be bullish as well. We're looking for a squeeze, guys. So we are looking for a breakout above this blue trend line. All right, so the level right now, last time it was 32 in March. This time is lower, which is good about this descending trend lines. Now it's around 26, 27. All right, so maybe we're gonna have a third wave going there, a fourth wave pullback, and maybe a fifth going here. I don't know, guys. This would be very, very nice. But for now, we don't have all the positive signals on the rest of the market, which we need for a squeeze to happen. Because I remind you guys, for a squeeze to happen, we need everybody to buy. Everybody, asset managers, hedge funds to cut the short. We need all of them to buy, and retail investors, of course, apes in the trade. So for now, we don't have all these signals, but let's just have some fun and imagine what could happen. This is a likely scenario to me, and this is very much looking like a third wave. Third waves are the ones with the greatest volume. So once again, if this is the third wave, we should have a massive move up next week. So let's monitor all of that. Once again, stop loss 12, guys. If we go below that, this invalidates this scenario. GME. GME, guys, was the one triggering everything once again with the release of its crypto last week. Here I have already prepared everything for you guys. Bam, you can measure the first wave. So let's first count the waves. So bam, bam, bam. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, maybe something like that. We're gonna find out very soon, but this looks very much to me like a third wave. And here, when you measure the first wave and you check the retracement, we went to the 61.8, slightly with some excess, but not on a daily close. So this looks very much like a second wave. We have earnings coming here. If earnings are good, guys, this will be one more catalyst to for bulls to use to, you know, buy more, and for shorts to maybe cover. So next resistances are so 140. As you can see, we closed just below that level. This is the first resistance. As you can see, it was the lower band of this consolidation here. To know where are the resistances and the supports, guys, just focus on consolidation. All right, so here and add moving averages 2050 to 100 on a daily 4 hours time frame, the most used ones. So here the 200-day moving average is at 152. So the next resistance to me is at 152, and if we close above that, probably we're gonna go to the 200 level quickly. So once again, you know, no guarantee, of course, it's just one scenario. There are some bearish scenarios too, but right now it's looking great, guys. 130 is the support level. Next support is 105, but if we get back there, we're gonna lose the momentum. We have here a very bullish RSI at 61, so bulls are in full control. We had, you know, some consolidation here, just with the market took a breath on low volume, nothing very big. So here the bullish momentum is definitely here on AMC and GME. All the bullish signals are here. We have some resistances above, but so we might see some pullbacks. All right, it's possible, but bulls in control, and you know, the probability we go higher is just higher than the probability we go lower. That's a fact. That's technical analysis. Now, for that once again to happen, guys, I've added triple Q in my daily updates, almost daily, because I know that because it's very important for everybody to be in the trade, and asset managers, hedge funds, they follow that. So if the whole market is not bullish, you know, they're not gonna buy AMC and GME. That's a fact. So here I'm monitoring that for quite some time, guys, and we have finally the breakout above my trend line. As you can see, I'm connecting 1, 2, 3, 4 reactions, and here we have a breakout. All right, above the trend line, above the 20-day moving average. The RSI just came in the positive territory, the bullish territory, 50.8. So it's not a lot, but it's bullish. We had a bullish divergence here, market making lower lows, momentum making high highs. So momentum with us, RSI with us, breakout with us. We crossed the 20-day moving average. We closed at the top of the day. So I mean, this is bullish. What do we miss, guys? What do we miss? You know what we miss? We miss the volume. So does it mean that we are not bullish? It doesn't mean that. We are bullish. We are bullish here. I'm going to buy on Tuesday different things. I'm going to post in Discord. I'm not posting right now because, as you can see, guys, I'm well dressed. It's my mom's birthday. We're going to go to restaurant very soon. I'm doing this very quickly for you guys. And tomorrow I'm going to, you know, look for breakouts and for nice opportunities to give you with stop losses, because, guys, there is still a lot of uncertainty. I don't see for now all the problems that have been solved. Inflation, war, all of that is still here. We can still have a bull market, but here we don't have the volume. But once again, you saw we have volume on AMC GME. Why don't we have the volume here? Because triple Q is an ETF, and an ETF trades more an index when there is fear, so on the way down. So it's acceptable not to have a big volume increase on the way up. But the problem I have, this is the usual reasoning, but usually we have this situation, strong volume on the way down and then a breakout. So of course it's difficult to trade more than when there is so much fear. But look what happened, guys. We consolidated. We had the low volume, which was a good news. I told you guys, it's very good to have low volume on the way down. And this is the reason why I was starting to, I personally took profit on my short position here. I reopened one here and got stopped here. 500 USD loss in my new protection trade, it's nothing compared to the rest of my portfolio. So I'm very happy to take this loss. And right now I'm still having a short position in triple Q. I'm gonna reduce slowly. But once again, yeah, we had this low volume here, and whenever you have the low volume during the consolidation, then you should have an increase in volume, so that it shows that buyers are back in the game. Here, I'm sorry guys, buyers are not here, not on triple Q. So they're here on AMC, they're here on GME, but on the rest of the market, it's not looking good. Cryptos, I'm not gonna make an update about Bitcoin and Ethereum here. They're not looking good too, guys. So we don't have everything that is bullish in this market, all right? So maybe we're gonna have a global market that is, you know, stable or not very bullish, and a run up on AMC GME. True, possible. But if we're looking for a squeeze, you guys know that we need the global market to be very bullish too, so that everybody is in the trade. So here to conclude, we are bullish definitely, but it's not perfect. So I'm still gonna buy, but tight stop loss here. A trade idea is to buy, you know, around the open on Monday, on Tuesday probably, you know, around 309, 310, something like that. Stop loss roughly, you know, below the 61.8. So it depends how high we go. We need to adjust that level, but roughly below 280. Let's call it here 289. All right. So if triple Q goes below 289, this invalidates everything, guys, and probably buzz are gonna take back control. So let's monitor that. Let's see what can happen here. But guys, it's been a long time. Things were not looking so good. I hope it's gonna hold. I don't know, of course, guys. But I'm personally going to increase my position in meme stocks, AMC, GME, and I'm going to reduce my short position on triple Q. This is what I'm doing, not financial advice. Once again, guys, this is the kind of situation I could tell you, stay close to shore. So thank you very much for watching this video. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to click on the sub, like, and the bell button, guys, so that you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore, guys. I'll see you soon.